Today we're doing a Manny and Me unboxing. Yeah. Plus a nail art at the end. So we got here our October monthly Manny and Me box from Maniology. We got a little card here today. And welcome to the jungle. Here is some steps on how it's done. We got a little thank you card. And this is what we got. We got two little gummies. An apple and a green apple and an apple. We got a body butter moisturizing blend of mango, avocado, and shea butter. Oh my god, this reminds me of dolls when I was small, like the little plastic dolls I used to smell. They used to smell. I don't remember what they were, but this reminds me of that. So good. Also, it's like a little oil. It's like an oil. We can't forget about the nail stamping polishes. We got, ooh, nice. This one is Viper. Beautiful deep purple color. And we got, ooh, a nice shimmery metallic. This is Python. It's like a metallic purple color. And we're getting to the good part. We got this one. Ooh, so nice. Let's peel it. There you go. There you go. Look at how nice. And here is the second one. I would say this is like tiger stripes or cheetahs and stuff like that. Here it is. This is what we got this month. Let's get on with the nail art. I'm gonna actually start with the color Viper as my base color. Ooh, this is a beautiful deep purple color. I love it. Look at one swipe. Obviously this is a stamping polish. I'm gonna start by stamping this one in the corner. This one is in the Maniology MXM018, right here in the corner, with their Python nail polish stamper. Now I'll be using the color Viper again for these lines in the middle. I'm just going to use the bigger one, the wider one. And I'm going to put it right in the middle. It didn't work. Okay, kind of fix it, but it didn't work. So let's try it again. You know, I'm not even gonna keep on trying. I'm just gonna use a striping brush and the same nail polish and just go over it. Striping brush. Just like that, and do it on the other nail. There you go. Now I'll be taking the snake's head. I don't know, snakes, cobra, rattlesnake, I don't know. And put it on my index finger. You can barely see it, but it's there. Now I have here some large, medium, and small gems that I'm gonna add to my two middle fingers, these two. My ring finger and my middle finger. I'm gonna be adding a smudge-free top coat here. And right after I do that, I'm gonna add the gems. And now I'm gonna add top coat on all of the nails. Here are the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing for this month, and I hope you also enjoyed the nail art. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!